Hello friends! Today I'm gonna be working on fabric and page tab. Let's do this! And the animal for today is a hedgehog. Super cute and super nice. I have some mushrooms around here. I have this pretty doll and also the stamp I made on a previous project. And also this piece of fabric. So what I'm going to do for this fabric page tab is the first thing is cut a tiny piece, probably the length of 1 inch of the fabric, and glue it on this side of my tab. So in that way, in the meantime we're working, this is gonna be drying. So let's do it like that. And then fold it, and probably I need to use some of my clips to fix this here, but let's do this first so we don't have any trouble with that later, so we don't have to wait. So that's no waiting period for this method here. So that's the way it is, and it's done with the little. And so my idea is having this beautiful doll popping out of the tab. So when this is going to be in the journal and you flip it, you're going to be able to see the doll coming out from the card. So what I need to do for that is going around with my scissors. I'll probably go the same way how it is. So I already glued this doll on top of another piece of paper, and here I'm just going to go like so. So that's the final result. And I want it here on the back. I just have this nice paper. It's full of letters and messages, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Also, this head used to be bending, so I cut the head separately, you can see here, and then I glue it like straight because I like it more this way. I don't want this doll like to be bending or, you know, having a head like going to one of the sides. So what I'm thinking is like also give this a little bit of my ink vintage photo all the way around so we don't see that white so much. And it's giving it a nice termination, a finishing. It's not super white. And I can go on the tag because I'm gonna glue this here. Also, I want a little bit of this brown touch around here because I'm gonna have my mushrooms. So here I go, give them a little bit of more brown. And the hedgehogs just on the little borders, so what I'm thinking is like I can glue this on a thick cardboard, like to be my popping up from the card. So let me think about how to do it, and I'm just gonna glue this here. So this is almost ready. That's going to go flipping that way and this way, coming back. And let's glue this. Actually, I'm thinking also this can be a tag and also it can be a pocket. So from here, I'm just gonna glue this on 3 of the sides, like in a U shape. So let me see, it's like probably around there. So I'm gonna go just in the U shape like so and place it on the card. I'm going to cover the border of the fabric like so, and I have there my pocket. I'm gonna clip it again just in case if I need something else, more glue or a different amount of clips, I just can place more clips around here and it's gonna be okay. So the idea is to have a pocket here. You can see here, see, I'm sticking this, I can do a tag to place it there. And I'm going to go with the mushrooms. And probably I can do a little bit of these branches I have here. I don't know what the result is going to be, but it's always good and nice to try. So the colors I'm going to be using are brown, of course, because I have them all over the place here. And what I do is to go with my brush and apply the paint, not too much, so I can just have the stamp on the tab. Just going to soft it like this, softly, and I need more paint. I can see that I need more. I can probably go with a tiny bit of green because I have some green around here. I really like it. I'm gonna go here. Okay, so I have it there. And with a tiny bit of green, probably the same green I have here, I'm just gonna go and give this a final touch there. Yes. It's like you can barely see the leaves coming out from there. Actually, that paint over there, I like it. It looks really nice. What do you think? I'm in love with the result. And finally, I'm going to place the mushrooms. This is the project so far, and I'm going to take these clips out because it's already glued. The only thing I need to place is today's animal, that is gonna be the hedgehog. So the hedgehog is gonna go in here. Thinking like I don't want to cover this because it's nice. I love the pattern and the different colors, and they match with the mushrooms there. So I was thinking like placing the hedgehog very on the bottom part, just to have it on the today's prompt. So this is my ephemera, and as I told you before, I left a pocket here, so I made this tag using this is a paper from a grocery store bag, and also I glue another hedgehog. And remember the piece I wrapped from the head of the doll here, so I place it here. So now this tag is going to go here in my pocket. So, and the effect is going to give a little bit more pink. Actually, I paint this with metallic paint, and don't forget to add your little piece of fabric here so you can pull the card. Final touch is I'm going to cut a little bit here. I just want this to be a little bit rounded, and also here. So these round corners here are gonna give this more the sense of a page tag. So I hope you enjoy it, and I need this because right now I'm going to go on number 19 and check it. So this is today's project, and I'll see you soon on a next episode. If you like these ephemeras for your junk journals and creative and amazing ideas, stay tuned, follow me, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye, friends. Bye. Bye bye.